vamos! ¡Hostia! ¡Tenéis una puta ciudad encima de vosotros! ¡Cago en Dios!
He want your blood in your eyes, huh?
Chema!
Let's go!
Chema, adentro!
Freedom, you're gonna shoot or you're gonna keep faking the fucking whole night. You run the collage, you're open and you faking. Bounce the ball and ball to catch with 3 seconds. Come on, man. If you're not gonna shoot, let me know.
¿Podemos defender alguna? ¿Alguna? Ya no hablo de perder el balón, hablo de defender alguna. Immediately. Response immediately. Finish the game. Nos hemos rendido. Acción, reacción, este es estos juegos. You all put the ball in and hoping that this somehow goes in. It's not gonna go in.
No hay deseo, tío. Ellos quieren más.
Fellas, believe me, we need to improve our defense here in the last 70 minutes. It's being a shame for everybody, starting from
Vamos. Quiero ver gente que esté preparada aquí para darlo todo.
Guys, wake up. I'm telling you, I'm going to change all of you.
Necesito 5 jugadores que quieran jugar, tío.
Yo ahora soy gilipollas porque te dejo en el campo. Joel, això sí, tirar-te els saps, però defensar una puta merda. Organize the team, you are the point guard of this team right now.
Tío, ¿me escuchas?
Luego quizás sea falta o no sea falta. Lo que no puede estar aquí es de portero de discoteca.
Who's talking to you? Are you going to leave timeout?
Nobody is saying anything. One-on-one.
What are you worried about? You're shooting. Other shit is basketball also. ¿Qué sería lo peor que podría pasar? Que tiraras y fallaras, lo peor. Aguantas ahí, no hay pérdida.
Why you stay down? Everybody can miss shot. I don't want anybody to be frustrated because of that.
No talk with the referees. Ya estamos avisados. No nos podemos tirar protestando. No sabemos si nos meten un triple, hostia.
Todo el rato estamos haciendo gestos como para el árbitro. No. El árbitro pitará si voy rápido a buscar el balón. Vaya. Do not speak to the referee. Get back. The problem is not the ref. The problem is they play hard and 19 play soft. It's not about them, it's about us. Las caras.
Estáis esperando a ver si las fallan.
Hemos hecho una buena siesta, oye.
Lima, very bad foul shooter. So if they have Taylor, Lima pick and roll, he goes without being intentional. We gotta make a foul on Lima.
If you have the opportunity to foul, okay, you Kravis, do it.
Si you are in front and you're receiving the ball, foul.
Es el peor tirador de tiros libres.
The worst shooter.
Calates.
This guy is possible the worst free throw shooter of the league.
Think it's like this. He doesn't know what to play. Sin ningún feeling. Todo lo hacemos en slow motion. ¿Puede tocar el balón Alberto Abalde, por favor? Que es lo único que he dicho en el tiempo muerto. Que la toque Alberto Abalde para que le defienda Alex Suárez.
They are killing us with that offensive rebound. Rebound. Another time, 20 points. Now.
We say, if you cannot pass the ball, you say Spain.
Saca Jul. ¿Vale? Sacas tú. No, quieto. Sergi, sacas tú. Una defensa, estamos todos a favor.
Some balls, some seconds. Ok, no perdonéis nada, no perdonéis.
Do it for yourself, for all the team. There are like 100 people that came here to see you play basketball.
Is it? Because it's a guys, listen to me.